All right. I'm in a certain house, and today we are showing you how to make Banku. So this is Banku. Amina, come and show us. Noah.greenlife. So today is a woman's episode. So I came to a woman's house, and she will show us some things that are going on in African kitchen, Ghanaian kitchen. This Banku, and come. No, sorry.
Masala.
Blue. Not with your wounds soon. Now, Aquayam. No, Aquayam Banshee. Now, they are frat. No, Baba. No, they see Jasso. No one, nada. And they be say, no, okay. I didn't make a crowd. Oh, yeah, no, what the rubber at the Tinobo. More near bro, Maquayam, and the friend will move to it. No Banshee Wale, and a broom Wale.
Okay. So actually, she was just explaining the process of making Banku. So Banku is actually a Ghanaian food. It's a Ga food. Banku is from the Ga tribe. Ga tribe is situated in Accra. So Banku is actually made from maize. So the maize will be put into water. After putting it into water for 1 or 2 days, so the maize, after it has been put into water for 2 days, it will be pounded, and it will then be transferred to a powder, and that powder then is the Banku powder. So then you actually heat water, and in hot water you put the powder, and then you stir it. You keep on stirring it, and then it will be Banku. So that is how Banku is done. It's very lovely, it's very sweet, and this is what this woman is doing. So this is actually how the Banku is stirred. I've never done this, so I know that this is not the way, but I'm just doing it for fun. But so Banku is actually very popular because of the cheap cost. You can get one ball for only 2 CD, and 2 CD, I think it's not even 20 cents or 20 pesos. 20 cent, euro cent, or 20. Yeah, it's very cheap. So that's why Banku is very popular, and can be eaten with sauce, stew, can be eaten with soup, And in Ghana we have chobas, and these chobas are, places where food is prepared and you can get it for cheap cost. It's like a restaurant, and often it's at the roadside.
We are with two the other son,
So this is actually the final product. She puts it into these plastic bags. Me personally, I'm against these plastic bags because I'm a nature guy. So anything artificial, I'm against it. But in Ghana, that's how they do it. It's ready, and it's from maize. It's made from maize or corn. It's very cheap, and is a traditional food of the Ga tribe. This is Amina, and she's the one who has prepared the Banku, very delicious. And we'll also show you how to grind pepper. So this African lady, this Ghanaian lady is actually grinding pepper. So this is the way they do it here in Ghana, in Africa. She's grinding pepper, and it's a cheap food, and it's made from and pepper, it's made from tomatoes. The ingredients are tomatoes, onion, and and pepper, and then also salt. And this, I don't know the English name for it. In Chi it's called eta. And this is made. This is called in Chi ayowa or asanka, and it's made from sand. Yeah, it's made from sand, and then yeah, it's made from sand. So this is how she's doing, and it's very simple food, but it's very common in most Ghanaian households. In every Ghanaian house, this is the way they do it, and you know it's a typical Ghanaian food, and this is what she's doing. Alright guys, our Ghanaian lady has finished the food. This is it. It is grinded pepper with banku, and it's also palm nut soup, you know. It was the leftover of yesterday, and we added it to the pepper. And there's also fried fish, and I will now enjoy my food. Alright, thanks for watching and enjoy. So, and this is how it's eaten, you know. African food mostly is eaten with the hands, no fork, no spoon, you know, and that's how you eat it. And then you just swallow it. It's very good, it's simple food, it's good.